Welcome to the JumpStart IT Academy YouTube channel. This is Chris Johnson, the lead tech career coach at JumpStart IT Academy. At JumpStart IT Academy, we provide coaching services for new tech professionals. Our existing professionals who want to transition into the tech industry, go ahead and go to jumpstartitacademy.com and check that out. We're going to continue with this article right here. Become a Linux expert just in time for the 2022 boom. In these training courses, you'll learn basics Linux system administration. Then you get familiar with the Linux command line and understand the foundation of how Linux works. This is basically Tech Republic. When Tech Republic first started, they didn't offer any courses, but now they offer courses. I used to read a lot of their articles because it was very insightful. Also, they would provide tips on how to troubleshoot certain things that were going on with whether it was networking or systems. And I remember taking some of their documentation and actually step by step going through some of the steps that have solved problems for other engineers, and my problem was solved. So I hold Tech Republic in a high regard, and I haven't ran into any situation where I thought that this information really isn't helpful. So I want to read this article to you, and also if you're not familiar with the Tech Republic, I want to introduce Tech Republic to you and also offer or show you some of the stuff that they're offering. I don't get paid for this. I don't have any affiliate program with them. It's just that I respect Tech Republic and I want to share it with you. Slowly but surely, the business world is trending toward Linux. Tech Republic contributing writer Jack Wallen predicts that in 2022, a major company will adopt Linux as its desktop of choice, setting up a watershed moment for other companies to do the same as they realize how much more productive and cost-effective Linux can be. That's really interesting because usually on the front end or the desktop, they have Microsoft products. And so hearing this right here, mainly because to operate Linux, unless there's some form of GUI that allows the user to easily navigate Linux, usually required a level of expertise or understanding. And so Linux was usually limited to engineers or specialized technicians who administered Linux and also worked with Linux, basically Linux servers or some type of Linux server product like Red Hat. Are you ready for a world of Linux hegemony? Whether you've dabbled in Linux before or you're brand new to the subject, the 2022 Complete Linux Programming Certification Bundle can give you a professional grade education to help your skills become more in demand this year and beyond. It's an 8-course training bundle, and it's taught by a best-selling instructor, Amran Afzal, and I guess his rating is 4.6. Afzal has more than 20 years of experience in system administration and engineering and currently manages a large team of system engineers, administrators, and team leaders globally. Afzal has worked with Fortune 500 companies in finance, fashion, tech, assisting in data center migration, VMware deployment, Amazon cloud migration, and more. He's a Linux expert who has helped more than 300,000 students worldwide learn today's most in-demand skills. In these training courses, you'll start out by learning the very basics, learning Linux system administration. You'll get familiar with the Linux command line and understand the foundations of how Linux works. From there, you'll accelerate your learning to understand how to use Linux for network administration, PAM administration and security. In addition to practical skills, Afzal will also teach you soft skills to help you find a job in IT. You'll learn how to ace interviews by practicing answers for the most common questions and learning how to interview like a pro. Warm yourself up for a lucrative career in IT right now. You can get started with the 2002 Complete Linux Programming Certification Bundle. They're selling it for $29.99 and it's normally $1,600. That sounds like a good deal to me. I'm going to put this link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And if you are involved with an interest with Linux and you want to learn Linux, whether you want to specialize in it or you want to gain general skills in Linux, for $29.99, it doesn't seem like you can really beat that. That's basically, if you go to expensive coffee shops, that's about 4, maybe 3 to 4 visits, maybe even less, depending on how you sophisticatedly make your coffee. So So here is the 2022 Complete Linux Programming Certification Bundle offered by Tech Republic Academy. They said you can buy for $29.99. And let's look down here. 8 courses, 251 lessons, and there's 270 people who are enrolled. Let's take a quick look here. Linux Crash Course for Beginners, Linux Network Administration, get a job of your dreams in IT, complete job interviewing skills and real life examples, complete IT job search course, computer skills for parents to teach their kids, guide to security for Linux systems, Linux PAM administration. We're at the end of the article. The article is about become a Linux expert just in time for the 2022 boom. There's a lot of opportunity in Linux. If you're already interested in Linux or studying operating systems, even if you're going to get Microsoft certified, I would highly suggest you also consider getting a general understanding and knowledge of Linux, because you're going to be introduced to both operating systems, and you may be working with other professionals such as Linux engineers or Linux administrators who are going to be troubleshooting or doing installations, and it may it may merge with whatever scope of work that you're doing. So it would be a good thing if you understood what the Linux engineers or Linux administrators were up to. This is JumpStart IT Academy. Get skilled in IT over a college degree. If you want to know more about JumpStart IT Academy, go to jumpstartitacademy.com. Check out our free course, The Top 10 Myths of the IT Industry. We offer coaching services, 30 minutes in an hour. If you're interested in tech, you're new to tech, you don't have a coach or someone who can guide you through, that's what we're here for. If you're already a professional, but you need to transition to another field, perhaps you're looking for a change in the monotony of whatever you're doing, or you're looking at a change in terms of increasing your salary or increasing the amount of opportunity you have, go ahead and contact us, jumpstartitacademy.com. Visit us, sign up for a coaching session. I look forward to working with you. Again, this is JumpStart IT Academy. Get skilled in IT over a college degree. I will see you in the next video.